Big Allo, what's happening,
What's
mate?
fucking happening,
Nothing, eh?
How the fuck do we get out of here, cut? Good to have you back, Brother Bear.
Yeah, it's good to. It feels alright to be back, I guess.
Yeah.
Don't I get a hug? What the fuck is
Yeah, what's that?
that? That's why I got Max to film. You just say like, oh hey. Here at Officeworks, we're going to go and print out some QR codes so we can hand it out to people and like so they'll scan it and it's going to take them to a really fucked up website, like a really weird one. So we'll see if they can do that for us. Let's go. We're trying to work out like what QR code we can have it linked to. We're thinking like we're going down the route of like a porn website. Alright, so we got the codes and just I'm going to show you what they do again. So we're going to hand these out. Click that. Boss. Click view. Alright boys, we're down here. We're in Cairns. Clubs are going off. We've got our QR codes we printed out in the morning and we're going to go hand them out. Let's go. Excuse me, have you girls signed in yet?
Yeah, definitely.
Can I see proof?
Yeah, hold on. Yeah.
Oh, alright, I'm gonna have to sign in again.
What is that? This is
Yeah, go to your camera. It'll take you straight to this website anyway.
I'm sus. Don't do it.
You gotta click view for it to work.
Don't do it.
Why?
Cancel it.
Click view.
Don't download
Click
it.
view.
Oh my god, no!
Can we please sign in?
I have a band. I literally just left to go upstairs.
When it comes up, click view. It'll be right.
Why doesn't it come up on the app?
Click. It'll come up now.
I was gonna check in when I get there because. Like,
Yeah, hit that. All right, thanks guys.
That's alright.
Perfect. You guys are awesome. Hit that up. Alright, so this big guy here, he was actually security and he was not happy. He snatched all the codes off me. I just want to give a big shout out for not smacking me in the nose. Really appreciated.
Oh man.
Done, we're done.
What are you about? What are you trying to do?
Alright, that security guy took all of them. I shouldn't have held on to all of them at once. Alright, I'm gonna get change out of this. He took all of our fucking things.
Yeah, no.
Alright, we're gonna get the fuck out. Alright, we're here in Cairns. I got some questions to ask some people and we're just gonna get it. What is your biggest ick?
Like if you see a
you know,
guy...
you wanna know what my biggest
No,
ick is?
ready?
When
If
people
you see-
fucking blow cigarette smoke in my face.
No,
What's your biggest ick?
Have you ever seen a guy run with a backpack on?
I don't, look at this. This girl has got a whip.
That's some wet
Wait,
ass
can you whip me?
pussy.
Can you whip me on the bum with that too? Ah, fuck! I'm in the lip. Who is the Prime Minister of Australia? I don't know. Who is the Prime Minister of Australia?
Do we have prime ministers?
What is the funniest way you've ever been injured?
So me and the boys jump in the bushes while we're drunk. Old mate jumped onto a fucking stick, yeah? Had a colostomy bag for 4 months.
So I was milking a cow, right? The stool tripped over. I kicked the cow fell on me and I broke my left rib.
I tried to jump over some of the bollards at the front of the wool shed and almost broke my neck. I've got video footage.
Oh, fuck! Oh my god, when was that?
Like a year ago, 2 years
Fuck.
ago? 2 years ago.
Are you okay? Mate, can you say mop 10 times really fast?
Mop, 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 mop.
What do you order green light?
Stop.
Do you? What do you put in a toaster? Toast. Do you? What do cows drink?
Bread.
Milk. Do they? Who is the Prime Minister of Australia?
Is it Kevin Rudd?
Who is the Prime Minister of Australia?
Is it Scott Morrison?
Fuck yeah, well done. You're the first person to answer that properly. Alright, today is the day I'm gonna list this trailer for sale. If anyone wants to buy it, just like hit me up on Instagram. Just let me know. Submit your offers. Not taking anything less than 8 grand for this bad girl. Oh, that's heavy as fuck. For anyone new on the channel and that doesn't know this, I used to be a builder and this was my trailer. It's like I'm doing like a fucking model photo shoot. Yeah. Oh my god, yes, girl, get it. Oh my god, yes, bitch, slay. Fucking white girls. Some people are gonna froth over this, eh? They're just gonna be like, oh, Alright, well, we are going. Oh shit. Chick messaged me on Tinder. That's never happened before. Alright, so we'll get these photos listed up and fucking see if we get a sale. Let's get it. Alright, so Desav, I'm just sitting here and I think we're going to do some prank calls.
Good afternoon, Speak W Afternoon, how can I help?
Hey, g'day, this is Jaboris calling. My boss just asked me to come down and see if you guys had any left-handed screwdrivers.
Okay, no we don't.
No left-handed screwdrivers?
No.
Do you know where I could get one?
No, I don't, sorry.
Alright, alright, thank you for that.
Thank you, bye.
It's like fucking, she was like, oh, this fucking shit again.
My name's Kenzie, what's that?
Hey, g'day, this is Jaboris calling. My boss sent me, he wants me to go down and see if you guys have any cordless power leads.
Yeah, I can transfer you to someone. We can have a look for you.
Are they the cordless extension leads?
They should be, yeah, I just need to check with electrical, see if we've got them in stock.
Alright, perfect. I can't deal with that. What an idiot. What a fucking idiot, man. Cordless extension lead. I was like, are you sure you got the cordless ones? Yeah.
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it.
Same as last video. This one picks up straight off. I just fucking woke up, okay? Give me a break.
Comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta